If your Chrome bookmarks are not working, disappearing, not opening, or just freezing when you click them, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll start with syncing, then check for a corrupted Chrome profile, and finally test for bad extensions that may be breaking your bookmarks. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow at home, and by the end, you should know exactly what is causing the problem and how to fix it. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing to check is your Google Sync. If your bookmarks disappeared completely or stopped syncing after a Chrome update, Chrome may have paused your account communication in the background. Start by opening Chrome and looking at your profile picture in the top right corner. Click it and check your sync status. If it says sync is paused, sign back into your Google account right away. This alone can bring your bookmarks back if the issue is just a sync problem. Next, go to Settings, then select You and Google, and then open Sync and Google Services. From there, click Manage what you sync. Make sure the bookmarks toggle is turned on. If it is already on, try forcing a refresh. Turn it off, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on again. That can help Chrome resync your bookmark data from your account and repair a temporary sync glitch. After that, give Chrome a moment to update and then check whether your bookmarks are working properly. If that does not fix it, the next step is to repair a corrupted Chrome profile folder. This is especially useful if clicking your bookmarks does nothing, opens a blank page, opens an untitled tab, or freezes your bookmarks manager. In many cases, the local profile database is damaged and Chrome cannot read it correctly. Before you do anything else, close Google Chrome completely. Make sure it is not still running in the background. You can also check your task manager if needed and end any Chrome processes that are still active. Once Chrome is fully closed, open the Run prompt on your computer by pressing Windows key and R at the same time. In the box, type %local app data %/Google/Chrome/user data, then press Enter. This will open Chrome's user data folder. Now look for a folder named Default, or sometimes a folder named Profile depending on your setup. This folder contains your local Chrome profile, including bookmark data. Right-click that folder and rename it to something like Backup Default or Backup Profile. Do not delete it. Renaming it is safer because it preserves the old data in case you need it later. Now reopen Chrome. Chrome should automatically create a new, clean profile folder for you. This fresh profile can often fix broken bookmarks, weird loading behavior, and profile-related freezing issues. After Chrome opens, check whether bookmarks now work normally. If they do, the issue was likely a damaged profile folder all along. If you still have bookmark problems, the next thing to check is rogue browser extensions. This is a very common cause when bookmarks work for a few minutes and then suddenly stop loading pages, or when Chrome starts acting strange after you install a new tool. A bad ad blocker, privacy extension, or script blocker can interfere with how bookmarks and pages load. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, hover over extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Once you are there, turn off all your extensions using the blue switches. Restart Chrome after disabling them, then test your bookmarks again. If they work properly now, one of your extensions is the problem. At that point, turn your extensions back on one by one. After each one, test your bookmarks again until the issue comes back. That will help you identify the exact extension causing the conflict. Once you find it, you can remove it or leave it disabled so Chrome runs normally again. So to recap, if Chrome bookmarks are not working, first check Google Sync, then repair the Chrome profile folder, and finally disable extensions to find any conflict. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the issue quickly without needing to reinstall Chrome. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy browser and computer fixes. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to export, backup, and restore Chrome bookmarks safely so you never lose them again.